Hello everybody, my name is Christian. I'm the area sales manager at GEBA.
I'm Andy from Reason Porsche.
I'm Luke, I'm from GEBA911.
I'm Darren from Unique Porsche.
I'm Andy Moss, I'm a director of SCS Porsche in Devon.
It's been very informative to learn about the pumps, and I think the thing that I've taken away is that the components that are used within the pumps, the ones that traditionally fail, have been selected from quality suppliers.
I mean, talking to the other guys as well, just a quick sort of survey on would you use more GEBA pumps now, and I think everyone's the same. Now they've seen how it's made, and the welcome we've had from you and from GEBA has been fantastic. I think it's going to be a very good relationship, I think, in long term, and it's great that DESIGN911 have the access to Europe, which we've lost with Brexit, isn't it? For us, it's a big plus.
If you're just presented with 3 or 4 parts and there's usually a price difference and you're thinking, well, I don't know why, and if the customer says, well, which one would you use? The answer is usually, well, probably the cheapest. But if you actually come and see why that investment's been put in and that the product you're actually buying isn't just better, but it's better materials, it's going to last longer, it's been re-engineered, then why wouldn't you buy that one?
The trip's been really good, really intuitive, learned a lot about the quality of what water pumps they're trying to produce.
When you see the detail that goes into making each bit, then it does fill you with more confidence.
I found it amazing, really good. Yeah, really impressed with DESIGN911, hospitality, and also really impressed with GEBA, the facilities and their hospitality, the knowledge, just the way they've looked after us. I think it's been really great. My first time to Germany, and yeah, loved it. So yeah, it's been a really educational and enjoyable couple of days.
To have the opportunity to talk with each other, to have the information exchange, it was very helpful. We have many different topics to discuss together.
It's a great way, to strengthen and intensify our collaboration between us and also for the customers. And I think due to the brand awareness of GEBA and also to talk about our products.
It's been really nice to meet other people from other specialists around the UK. It's been really good to learn about the sort of the construction and the failure modes of pumps. It's been really informative, so thank you for inviting us.
Oh no! Rewind.